The most picturesque woman in America, a woman renowned for her fiery personality, Rita de Acosta Lydig served as muse for some of the most celebrated artists of her era. Boldini paints her at her most glamorous, in a dress by Calitzers, and shoes made exclusively for her by Nye Yanterni. The young beauty married a reclusive multi-millionaire, divorcing him just 4 years later and earning the largest divorce settlement to date. Soon after, she married for the second time, becoming Mrs. Lydig. Her personal wardrobe formed the basis of the collection of the Costume Institute at the Metropolitan Museum of Art. Once dubbed the Master of Swish by Time magazine for his flowing style, this portrait is counted among his greatest masterpieces. Discover MS Rao Antiques, just a block away from Jackson Square, at 630 Royal Street in the heart of the French Quarter.